How to turn off auto download documents when roaming on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto download documents when roaming on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find storage and data, and click when roaming and turn off documents. Click OK. And now as you see, documents have been turned off, and now go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to turn off documents. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.